During the last 20 years, the amount and the cost of waste management has increased dramatically. Traditional handling of waste is associated with foul odors, fire risks, and environmental hazards. Long-term solutions require legislative regulation. International research has shown that the most efficient and economical solution is recycling, including energy production at facilities where waste is processed and stored for incineration at heating plants. The Swedish corporation Flexus Bala system has developed a unique, innovative and visionary concept for the management and storage of waste. Garbage, residual waste and industrial materials are compressed into a fraction of the original volume and enclosed in cylindrical bales. An environmentally sound and financially prudent system that supports the sustainable waste management of the future. The concept is based on the Flexus round baler. Recycled waste and other materials are converted into easily managed airtight round bales. Without oxygen, the process of fermentation and decomposition cannot start.
Sur notre site à incinérateur, on est obligé de faire des balles avec.
We bale, even working 2 shifts during the period when the furnaces are serviced, partly in order to minimize landfill site deposits, partly in order to even out the flow of waste over the entire year. The benefits of the Flexus method are clean and tidy storage handling, less foul odor, reduced volume, no fermentation, very limited mass or energy loss, less fire risks, no self-ignition, no spontaneous combustion hazards. The material is fed into the bale chamber until maximum pressure is reached. The chamber opens up and the bale advances to the wrapper unit. A net designed to keep the shape of the bale is fed into the chamber. The bale is wrapped with a polyethylene stretch film. The wrapped bale is tilted onto the bale conveyor for unloading and further transportation or storage. The process takes 1 to 4 minutes and is fully computer automated. The opening of round bales is easily accomplished. At resorts, there are often seasonal variations of the amount of waste accumulation, with peaks during the tourist season. The solution is to store the waste in neat Flexus bales that may be incinerated or recycled at any time. Waste accumulated on islands can be baled and stored during the peak season and transported to the mainland during the low season.
À Molène, on est en hiver 140 individus et en été on arrive à 2000.
We have 140 permanent residents on the island and 2,000 during the summer. That means an enormous increase in waste. Baling results in saved time and a significant improvement of hygiene, as nowadays we don't need to manually reload the waste. It is directly dumped into the press. Round baling has become popular for various vegetable residues for cattle feeds, such as corn silage and brewer's grain. This special version of the Flexus baler is mobile and can be easily moved from place to place for baling corn silage. Beet pulp is a byproduct of sugar manufacturing, a very popular cattle feed. Wet residues can be kept fresh without drying. Long-range transport is made possible, and the size of the bales makes it suitable also for small livestock operations. Round bales can be stored outdoors for optimum year-round flexibility. Waste and recycling fractions, compressed and sealed in airtight round bales, have minimal effect on the environment during storage or transportation. Round bales can be transported by existing standard transport systems. The Flexus Bala system is acclaimed in the global growing waste and management industry. Hundreds of units are supplied to treatment and sorting plants, thermal power stations, and contractors all over the world. Intermediate storage, volume reduction, seasonal variation or transportation. Flexus Bala system is a speaking partner for all kinds of waste handling problems. The Flexus main office and production plant is located in Nossebro, near the west coast of Sweden. The sales network covers most countries in Europe and East Asia. Read more about Flexus Bala system at www.flexus.se.